Hi, welcome back. Um, this video tutorial provides basic information into how to create a data entry form in Microsoft Excel. It also explains how to add the data entry options in the toolbar to make a data entry form by selecting only Excel table. Okay, so as you can notice, this is the Microsoft Excel window. Okay, we have the toolbar menu sa file home, insert page layout, data view, review view, health. And I also created a simple table, a field name with last name, first name, email address, contact number, address, city, and country. Okay, also input record number one. Okay, so I example again myself. Okay, so just to make sure before we proceed to insert the data entry in the toolbar menu, I just want to double check our table. So we have to highlight the table, click insert in the toolbar menu, and then find the table. Okay, so here, make sure just check the my table has headers. Okay, click OK. So you can notice that the field name uh, changed to with drop down list. Okay, so that's just want to make sure that the headers included. Okay, so let's proceed. How to insert the data entry in our toolbar. So just simply click the file in our toolbar, new file. Then in this area, find the options. So here I click more and then options. Okay. So the Excel options menu include general, formulas, data, proofing, save language, accessibility, advanced, customize ribbon, and until trust center. So we have to choose the customize ribbon. So click customize ribbon. Okay. So in under customize ribbon, um, sabi niya, you have to choose commands from. So in our drop down list, just click the drop down list, find the commands not in the ribbon. So just simply click this commands not in the ribbon. So this is the list of commands not in the ribbons. Now we have to find the form. Okay. So form, okay, ito click form. Then do not jump out to click the add. Okay. Instead, we have to click the new tab. Okay. Then uh, new tab option, rename, type data entry, then click OK. Then click the new group customs. Uh, click, that is the time that we have to click the add the ribbons. Okay, so ayun na yung form. Then click OK. So okay, nahanap ko pa. So in our toolbar, we have a data entry already. Okay. What is the purpose of data entry? As I mentioned in our last exercises, that we have to jump out or we have to discuss also the and how to add a records, how to delete a records, how to edit a records using data entry. So let's I'll show you. Okay, just click the data entry. Okay, and then in this side you can find the form, new group form. Just click the new group form. Okay, this can be applied selected area. Select a single range. Okay. Okay, sorry naka-highlights kasi. Okay, so close ko ulit. So, data entry, click the form. Okay, so, okay, this is the, okay, di ko alam kung saan ko lalagay. Okay, this one. Um, my first record is myself, this Nakbil Cecilia with email address, telephone, contact number, address, city and country. Okay, so The last exercises that I asked you to do is to create a 5 records or to 10 records. So what you have to do that exercises in that exercises is you inputted close ko muna to here, di ba? Manually type natin dito. So in data entry, so we will not highlights na naman ako. Okay. So um, just simply, if you want to add a new record, or just simply click the new records. Okay. Type, like for example, San Jose. Okay. First name, Imelda. Okay. Just example. Imelda at MSN. Oh, nag-exist pa bang SN? Okay. Contact number, just wala yun, it's not true. Address, ano ba? Capitol Drive, City of Balanga, Country of Philippines. Sample lang. Okay. Then, click again the new record. So as you can see in this table, so meron ka ng record number 2, yung tinype natin dito sa form. Okay. So click ulit tayo ng new record. Okay, type ulit natin hirap nito De Leon. De Leon. Leon. Okay. Si email address is leon@gmail.com. Contact number 0995 kay Chuba Chuchu NS. Address, Malate, City of Manila. And then, Philippines. Parang nagkamali ako dun sa, okay. Then, click new record. So, automatic, nag-a-add yung table mo ng new record. Okay. So, dito din sa form, find previous. If we click the find previous, so it will show up here that the previous record, which is number 3, si De Leon. Leon. Okay. So, find previous, i si San Jose naman, record number 2. And then, find next. So, ilalabas na yung ano na yan. And then, um, like for example, you have a contact or list in your contacts file that hindi na nag-exist. Kailangan mo na i-delete. Okay, so, halimbawa si De Leon or si San Jose. Okay, just simply click this delete. Okay, display record will be permanently deleted. Just click OK. So, wala na si Santos dun sa table mo. Okay. So, yun yung the basic information on how to uh, create a data entry form using Microsoft Excel. Okay. So, close lang natin to. Okay. Then, um, kung gusto mong tanggalin yung data entry, paano po ba tanggalin yung entry? How to remove the data entry in the toolbar? Just simply right-click sa mouse, then customize ribbon, and then we have to find the data entry custom here, and then click the remove. So, wala na yung data entry mo. Click OK. So, in our toolbar menu, we cannot see the data entry toolbar. So, paano pagbalik? Just simply click file in the toolbar, then find the word options. Okay, more options. Uh, then click the customize ribbons. In customize ribbon commands drop down list, find the commands not in the ribbon. Then in the list, you have to find the word form. Okay, so to create a form, then click the new tab. Sa new tab, here, just make sure rename it data entry. I'm doing this para nirename ko ng data entry so that I will not I know that this I'm inside the data entry toolbars. Okay, just click OK, then add. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, just click the new group option, then click add, then OK. So that you can see the data entry now in the toolbar. So how to remove the data entry? Just right click and then customize. Um, Find the data entry, okay, then click remove. Okay. Ganun lang kasimple yun. Okay? So, I hope that um, I'll give you this video tutorial give you additional knowledge in creating a data entry form, simple data entry form in Microsoft Excel. So this is the preparation for our next activities. Okay. Thank you.